You guys already know my truck is parked. I haven't done anything to it. This is day one of taking it apart. I'm gonna take you guys through the whole journey of taking it apart, painting it, bagging it. So hope you guys enjoy it. But let's start with the basics. So for today, I'm gonna be taking out the grill, the headlight trim, then this black thing that it's behind the grill, and the fenders. So I'm gonna try and take all that off today, and obviously the hood too. And what else? For that today, I haven't said it yet, but I'm not in a rush right now to like get things done like quicker than I should. But I'm gonna take it a little slow. Just try and get everything organized so I don't lose any bolts. Because you know how it goes when you put it back, you got like 20 bolts like still on the side. You're like, what the hell, where did these come from? So yeah, I'm gonna start with the front end, fenders, hood, then bumper, and then just take it to the back with the bed. Take out the bed, look for a new bed, cut it out right, have someone put tubs like a dog house, but I want to do something creative. I don't want to cover all that up. I want it to look nice. But yeah, let's get it started. Looks like when I closed my hood, I had something on top and just crushed the crap out of it. So yep, definitely gonna need a new hood. I mean, a new hood, a new grill. But this is how it looks right now. It's just abandoned. And I also have to fix my other rim, which is over there. And then yeah, take out the fenders, headlight trim, headlights, all that stuff. And take out the bed, and yep, that's the new car I got. A little gassy, kinda. Still kind of chucks gas, but not as much as this 5.0. So yeah, let's get it started. one on top. I think I already recorded that, I'm not sure, but okay. I took off the one on the bottom, then I took these off right here, which were a 13 millimeter. Let me see if I can get the wrench real quick. Okay, so 13 millimeter. The top one just it's the same thing as this. Just try to wiggle it as much as you can. Just loosen it up, go back and forth, up and down, you know, as many movements as you can, just to break it loose, and it'll come off like butter. But yeah, so it's that. I'm gonna take these off right here, and just gonna check if there's any more bolts. I'm not sure, because this is my first time taking off this radiator. So yeah, let's see if there's any more bolts I need to be taking off these sides screws I told you I was gonna do, which is this one, and then it's this one. Yeah, take those off, and literally the thing just slides off, like literally slides off. So yeah, it's this one, the ones for these, then take that hose off, this one, and then where's the other hose? I think it's that one, and this one, and that's it. The whole radiator comes off. And take this out. I just lost the fucking 10 millimeter, bro. I can't find it. I just had it. And look who we found, bro. I feel so stupid. Oh my god. 32. Whatever you want to call it. But I'll use this one. So this size right there. Right, so there's 3 sizes you need to use. That's one size. For that one, I still need to take off the hood latch. I took off the one on the bottom, this one, and these 4, which I probably messed up on. I probably should have just taken these 2 off, but that one is a half. Okay, and then the last size is which is 5/16. Come on, focus. Okay, that one. And that size is only for this one. That's the only one. Besides that, it's all of these the same size. All of those ones on the bottom. The one over here. And there's actually one more in here. I'm gonna try to point it out right now once I take it out. But yeah, let's get the rest of them out. All right, you guys, I kind of apologize because I know I said for these 4 and this one I used what was it, a half? I actually didn't. I used a 10 millimeter. I was like, fuck, I need to correct these guys before they use the wrong size. But yeah, see, it comes right off.